What is an analogy? An analogy are those words which are similar in one way or the other. So these are the analogies that you need to solve and send me the answer in WhatsApp. One of them is daylight, night, dark. Since during day we get light and during night it's dark, so it will be daylight, night, dark. These are called analogies. In this way, you have to solve the whole worksheet and send me the answer in chat, comment section, or in the WhatsApp group. I will check and let you all know whether it is correct or not. What you have to do in number 6, you have to choose 4 things which have the same meaning in some way or the other. For example, number 6 will be tablecloth, bed, and comforter. Okay, in this way, the rest 7 and 8 you all need to solve and send me the answer so that I can check and let you all know whether it is correct or not. Let's go to the next one. Here it is. See, an analogy compares two things that are different but have something in common. Brush is to paint as pen is to write. We use brush to paint, we use pen to write. So these are analogy to each other. Similarly, you have to solve these questions and send me the answer in the comment section or in the WhatsApp group or in the chat so that I can check and let you all know whether it is correct or not. These are the things that you need to solve. Okay. I hope you can get it clearly and do it correctly so the ma'am can check it and let you all know whether you are correct or not. Now do this one. It's the same thing. You have to solve 1 to 18. Send me the answers in the chat or in the comment section. Hope you all will do it correctly and send me the answers in the comment section or in the or in the WhatsApp group or in the chat and let me see whether you are correct or not. These are all the questions. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, select the bell icon so that before anyone else, you all can enjoy my videos. Next time, I will be coming with another interesting video. Till then, bye everyone and thank you.